The ban on the Mirwais Umar Farooq led Jammu and Kashmir Awami Action Committee and the Masroor Abbas led Ittihadul Muslimin by the Modi led Indian regime has drawn strong criticism from across the people in occupied Kashmir. Senior APHC leader and the AAC chairman Mirwais Umar Farooq, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that the AAC was founded by his father at the peak of the Holy Relic agitation in 1964, and since then it has firmly stood by the people of the occupied Kashmir. In occupied Kashmir, revelations about the India's plan to convert thousands of the canals of the agricultural land into so-called satellite townships have triggered the outrage among the local farmers, who see the move as an Israeli-style assault on their livelihood. The official data from the Housing and the Urban Development Department revealed that the authorities have identified approximately 1,298 canals of the land across Pulwama, Bandipora, Jammu, Kathua, Srinagar, Ganderbal and Poonch districts for the housing projects. In what exposes the powerlessness of the Umar Abdullah, who became the chief minister as a result of the recently held elections in occupied Kashmir, he openly admitted that he does not hold control over the police. He said this while speaking in the backdrop of the use of the lathi charge on the protesting daily wagers by the police in Srinagar the other day. Dr. Ghulam Nabi Fayed, chairman of the World Forum for the Peace and Justice, has drawn attention of the United Nations Human Rights Council towards deteriorating human rights situation in occupied Kashmir as the council begins its 58th session in Geneva to discuss its agenda item, which is followed up to the implementation of the Vienna Declaration and the program of the action. Over 60 mosques have been covered with tarpaulin sheets in the Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh ahead of the upcoming Holi celebrations. The authorities have justified the decision by stating that it is aimed at preventing the mosque from being smeared with the colors or in some cases shoes during the festivities.